Hi everyone, it's Alina here at Vaughan Chrysler, and check out this 2023 GV70 Sport Plus. It's in satin gray, has LED headlights, this huge grille, 21-inch rims. It also comes with 2 sets of tires, winter and summer. Oh, unlock it with a key fob. Has red leather interior. Comes with 2 sets of mats as well. Remote start. And it's loaded with safety features. 360 camera, active brake assist, adaptive cruise control. As you can see, front camera here. 360 cameras here. Blind spot monitoring. And it's a V6 twin turbo. Let's take a look at inside. You have some paddle shifters, carbon fiber accents, upgraded sound system, panoramic sunroof. If you want this vehicle to be yours, you know who to call. Alina right here at Vaughan Chrysler, 647-782-9186.
So Alina, who's one of the sales reps here at Vaughan Chrysler, this was her very own personal car up until a few days ago. We wanted to do the video with her narrating it, but she's actually out picking up her new ride. So let's show you a little bit of this gorgeous 2023 Genesis GV70 Sport that's finished in satin gray. Standout styling. Satin gray is like a liquid color, which I think looks fantastic. Detailed 5-spoke rims. Branding, Genesis branding on the brake calipers is great. Crazy lines. Brand new car, and you get bonus brand new winter tires with it. Let's see if you can go past that. You can see the panel roof, and already hinted at red leather seating, which is wicked. I like the bold exhaust styling of these. The rear seat won't be able to see that much because it's full of winter tires. You can see that you have power controls, so it's easier for the people in the second row to get out, which is quite nice. There's the center console, the climate controls, and the heated seats for the rear. And again, some really nice refined detailing here. And the sunshades. You're really gonna like this. Real Bentley influenced the interior of the Genesis, I find. And fantastic quilting. Carbon fiber trim. And again, beautiful details here. And even things like this for your phone, soft touch, power ports. You can see the air conditioning system, heated and ventilated seats. And again, some minimalism, but just beautiful to detail. And then, of course, we do have the touchscreen center there. with its navigation. So check it out. Very responsive. Let's check the home screen. I've never been in this vehicle before, so bear with me. Media. Sounds of Nature, I think it's cool. I've seen that in other Genesis products. And let's give it a go. Okay. The radio, of course. Again, some fun details there. And again, very responsive. Valet mode. Oh, let's see what the train mode is. Is off. And there it is. Again, details on the pedals. If you look at this screen, you can't really see it in this video, but it's three-dimensional. There's actual depth to the screen, which is again a really cool touch. As you can see, it only has 18,206 kilometers on it. Heads-up display, I believe. You can't really see it in this light. The engine bay. And then those Woodbridge tires. Again, Batman seats. Powerful V6. Zoom in. Very smooth sounding engine. Front signature grille. Gorgeous vehicle, ready for you today at Vaughan Chrysler.